Now, this is something purely related to O levels. Do you remember these formulas? A1 by A2 is equals to L1 by L2 whole square 1. Other one is V1 over V2 is equals to L1 over L2 whole cube. If the figures are similar, if they are not similar, we will not put these powers. Relation between area and volume. Area cubed is equals to volume squared. Look at question number 1. The ratio of areas of two squares is 4:1. So we already did that area and length is in this ratio. Some used to write L1, L2, some used to write length of small, length of large, like this. So whole squared. Now area is given 4:1. So we need to do the square root, and this is 2:1. So if the perimeter of the smaller square is 20, what is the perimeter of the larger square? And I can see the ratio is 1:2. So 40, yes. The only mistake would be not taking the square root. Scale drawing. A scale drawing of rectangular patio measures 5 centimeter by 7. If the longer side is 21, so longer ratio longer, lesser calculation, luckily values are easy. I can see this is 3 times. So if that's 21 feet, this needs to be 15 feet. And now we can find uh, applying Pythagoras theorem. And it was asking what is the, sorry, it was asking the area, not the diagonal. My bad. So 21 times 15. And I'm getting 315. Now, before question 4 and 5, you'll try 4 and 5. And do you understand that 2:3 and 3:2 are entirely different? Suppose we are talking about the distribution that Ali ratio Omer. So 2:3 and 3:2 are entirely different. They won't be acceptable. And you'll have those two different options. And 2/3 could be written as 2:3 could be written as this. This could be written as this. You'll need this concept in question number 4. Try number 4. We can share our thoughts wherever you wish.
All right.
Whenever you're practicing questions, try to do them like on computer screen without printing the page because of digital sat.
I'm just writing on a piece of paper.
Yeah, sure. That is what you'll get in exam as well. I did that once. I had that habit of underlining since ages. So I faced a lot of problem.
So would FGB y minus x?
FG. Let's
Yes.
quickly read it.
Since EF is x and EG is
Yes,
y.
yes.
Okay.
EF is
So
X
since
and
they're two
E
parallel,
is Y. So FG is y minus x, correct?
Sir, I'm not sure, but I got y over x minus 1.
That is correct. So
Ah,
CD,
yes, I got this.
you got the same?
Nah, I had no idea how to do it.
Okay. Uh, Mohammed, a quick recap of three cases of similarity. We had this one case, parallel lines. Let me name them A, B, C, D, and E. BC is similar to AB, BC over AC. CD is similar to CE. And the third one, BD, similar to AE. If you're remembering it while I speak, that's fine. If not, do let me know. We can go in detail. This was the first case.
I understand.
Second case was this butterfly image. A, B, O, P, Q. Now this has to be parallel for it to be similar. Now they were both on left hand side, green both red on right hand side. This is opposite. AO, OQ. AO is similar to OQ1. Second, BO is similar to OP. And the third one, AB and PQ. And one thing is compulsory all the time. If I kept the smaller triangle in numerator, I've kept that in numerator throughout the question. So this is the concept which you're using. And we can see in a right hand side triangles, this case. So basically y minus x, we are not using that as a value, but we are using that as a ratio. So that corresponds to CD, that is y minus x. On left hand side, x corresponds to this BC, so that's x. Now you cannot see such options, so I'm going to convert this ratio into division. Or if I see I'm going to divide them both by x. In ratio we can either multiply or divide. So y minus x by x, ratio x by x. On right hand side I'm getting 1, that is y over x
Wait, sir,
minus 1.
why are
Because
we subtracting by dividing by x again?
because we have options in this form, I can see all these are fractions.
I mean, like, why are we dividing by x instead of y?
Okay, the choice could have been we divide by y minus x. So if I do this, y minus x and y minus x, this is 1, but now I cannot split this fraction. If I have like 2 over
Oh,
z plus 4, I cannot split it. But if I have z plus 4 over 2, I can split it, z by 2 plus 4 by 2. So
yeah.
denominator needs to be a single number. And also we can see that through the options.
Yes, sir. I understand now.
Understood, sir.
Okay. Thank God I saved that on time. So this is what we get. Number 5, concept of similarity and Pythagoras theorem. Give it a try.
Is the answer 96/13?
Correct.
Sir, how are we meant to do this without a calculator, by the way? I ended up needing to use a calculator to do this question.
You will have calculator.
Oh, okay. I thought this was no calculator.
Digital sat is fully calculator. And the other thing is, when this was supposed to be non-calculator sections, you have few harder questions, and the remaining are normal. That's a balance of difficulty level in time. Obviously, applying those Pythagoras theorem and so on, you'll have to do that rough working on side. And also know that this is 8, 5, 13. This is 5. And we know 3, 4, and 5, we need to know that this is 5, 13, and 12. And few squares memorized would always benefit you. Mahat, are you getting the same answer?
Oh yes, did I not say, sir? That B as well.
Good. Okay, now few topics are going to be either very easy